done with Festival of the Lion King. What'd you think?
It was really good. I liked it.
Hey, but what happened to the monkeys?
I know.
The acrobatic monkeys weren't.
They cut 6 monkeys, first of all.
They were there, but they didn't do acrobatics.
No, there was 4 monkeys.
Okay.
They used to have 10 monkeys.
I'm wearing my Lion King shirt for it. That was good. So, favorite part? What's your favorite part?
The fire dude. Fire.
My favorite part is the human bird. We probably shouldn't have done this by all the musical instruments and the kids with the musical instruments. You didn't step forward. Good. Let's look around the gift shop and then let's go on the monkey trail. The gorilla trail, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Cool mode.
This is the book that Mom and I liked. Okay, so.
Oh, cool.
What, ready?
Oh, wow.
We ready?
I don't. He runs really fast. Cool.
So it like tells you, so cheetah,
Yeah.
and then it tells you information about the cheetah, and then you can see a cheetah. And like gorilla, rhino, zebra, elephant, gazelle, giraffe.
Cool. That's a cool book.
I like this one better.
Nice. I should get one of these and use it for work. That would be cool. A walking stick.
You like the purple giraffe?
I do.
I think.
Well, I like the pink hippo because we saw pink hippos on the thing, but I just don't worry about that. Do they have any more of them?
Mom, it's fine. Mom.
What's the matter? Can we have one elephant cookie, please?
One elephant cookie?
Thanks, Terry.
Is this? Do you want one too, or?
Nah.
Okay.
See, I want that peanut butter chocolate. Let's get it.
Alright, then my friend Eric is going to help you down here, right?
Okay. Can we also get the Mickey ear hat brownie, please?
Here.
Where you at?
Look at this color.
I know, isn't that cool?
Yep.
Dipped in chocolate?
Yep, on top. Separate bag, same bag?
Same bag. The elephant candy apple. See this? It's got gray on it. I even make that.
Try the gray stuff. It's delicious. Don't believe me? Ask the dishes.
Thank you. Danielle, do you want a frozen lemonade or anything?
No, thanks.
Blue raspberry, strawberry? Come up here. Time to explore Gorilla Falls. Yes.
This thing is very bubbly.
You don't like it?
No, I love it. Is there a trash can? I see a zebra. Hey,
Crazy
they're
trap?
drinking.
Oh, this is steep. This may have been a mistake.
Later.
Whoa.
Whoa.
That bird just like flew right over our head. Oh, look at Danielle. Look, this whole time we were standing here, there's birds right here. Step back a couple steps.
Whoa.
What kind of bird is that?
I don't know. Let's see. Okay, that's either a snowy-headed robin cat. That looks like it.
Oh, look, there's like a white bird and a yellow bird up there.
Cool. Yeah, that's a snowy-headed robin cat.
Cool. I like him. He's my buddy. Ever tell you a bird dropped a stick on my head in an aviary? At the San Diego Zoo, a bird kept like standing by the door and dropping sticks on people's heads.
Not very nice bird.
What's that white one up there?
It's a robin cat.
Which one's that?
Right there.
That one?
I don't think so. I don't see any orange. Oh, is it?
He used to get his head out of his butt.
Yeah, I guess he is orange.
Yeah.
See one.
But he's got a green head. See, this one doesn't have a green head.
He doesn't
So maybe
have
it's a
green
female
head.
or male because it's different.
I named
He
him
has a white head.
There you go. Here's your chart
I want
back.
to find the purple one.
Alright.
Wait, okay, we need to find another bird with a big thingy.
Oh, is that a nest?
I think they are. Look, there's
Wow.
a nest. Look, they're fascinating. You see the holes.
So I think that's made by those little yellow birds because they
Yeah.
said they were weavers.
like they're
Are they
they just live here in the wild.
Let's do
They're
it.
Hazzetto golden weavers.
Yeah.
Where's the picture? I just saw him.
Disney duck.
Yeah, that looks like a hammercock. Looks like the same as
What kind of bird is
That's a hammer cock.
hammer cop?
Yes.
hammercock.
He looks like he's got a hammer head.
Yeah, look up there. It's the same bird that's up there. Those ducks are...
He's got his eye on something. It's not that
Trying to eat a fish. What about these ducks, Danielle? What kind of ducks are these ducks?
Oh, white ducks? I think they're marble teal.
Marbled teal ducks. Definitely.
Look at the fish, though. Sorry, I love
Yeah.
fish. Look how cool they are.
How many times do you think people drop one of those cards in here?
Oh my gosh, like, woo.
Wow. Should have brought your fishing pole, Allison. How did the birds not eat all these?
I know, right?
So did he just give them food or
Yeah,
take
he
away
just put food in there.
He
switched
did.
out the-
So what kind of duck was that? With
This is a pygmy duck.
He's cool looking.
And
And then the other ones are,
those are pygmy geese
yeah, and then the other one, I think it's on the other side.
are a ham, or
No,
no,
it's this one.
marble teal.
I think he's like letting everyone know that the food's here.
But he's really old and has arthritis. Okay, good. I like that. Look, he's like scratching himself.
I'll send you back.
Oh, look, he's so old and he has arthritis and a cataract.
Which one? The one that's
Yeah.
did they say what
Oh, here comes
Look at
another
that
one.
dog.
Where did he come from?
Yeah.
Look at that one. The weaver.
Look, he found another one, yeah. Look at the
weaver
yellow
bird?
bird.
The old guy with arthritis.
Look at him. Look at him on the wall. Good job, Duck.
I'm proud of Tyson. I named him Tyson. Don't ask why.
That little yellow bird likes us. He's been hanging out there the whole time.
He's Tyson's best friend. Her name's Callie. I've named like 5 of the fish and like all the birds.
They should hire you to work here.
What's that duck's name?
Which one?
That one, the one that's
One,
coming.
oh, I don't know. I didn't name that one. That one came in late. He came in late to the party.
Oh, sorry.
He made me leave.
Did you see the hippo?
I didn't see the hippo. You can see him better
I just saw like the top of his head, but I couldn't get it on tape. There it is. All right, Danielle, I wasn't able to get any video of the hippos, but you got some pictures?
Yeah.
All right.
I'm
Well,
editing it right now.
we'll have to put the hippo pictures in there.
Put them in the vlog.
Yeah.
So here he comes. Do the hippo.
Oh, do the hippo.
Hippo! Hippo! Girls, do you see the hippo first? Oh my gosh, I've never seen him do that. That is pretty incredible.
Well, he's like, forget the bucket, I'm just taking it out.
Nothing must be a teenager. Well,
They all ate lunch, so now
they all sleep at the same time.
I feel like because of the circumstances, because they all eat at once, they all just kind of
All the gorillas are taking a nap.
That's funny.
That's how they sleep.
Well, he just did that. That was the thing gorilla was in a bucket, right?
Yeah, they're so human-like, the way they sleep and
Yeah.
move and dream and stuff.
Take a nap
It's so
after
cool.
they eat.
Allison, you could have hung out with those gorillas and just napped,
I know.
couldn't you? You're bonding with all creatures that nap constantly.
Yeah.
How about you, Danielle? Which creatures are you bonding with? The ducks? I bonded with that arthritic cataract duck, the old guy.
I bonded with
Yes.
the turtles.
The turtles?
The pink hippo.
There wasn't even a turtle. I meant the fish. The fish. I like
Yeah, something must be going on this bridge because there's a crowd. This is where we saw Gorilla in a Bucket. No, Gorilla in the Bucket was over here. There's some more of them not sleeping. They were already. He just said these guys are the bachelors.
There's one back there.
He said these are the bachelor gorillas. Yeah. That's
way far away.
I feel like I'm like really in the jungle, like spotting one.
That's good.
Oh, there it is.
There. Boom. That's how you get a picture. Ready? Hold on. Wait. Wait. Gotta wait for the... There. Did it.
Got it? I will let you see.
Carrie, look.
That's a good picture.
I got a bunch of good pictures.
All right. See you later, gorilla.
There's a bucket over
All
there.
right, Danielle. One of the greatest moments of our lives was when we saw Gorilla in a Bucket. Right here. No gorilla in a bucket. Maybe he's going to his bucket. Is that black thing up there his bucket? See the bucket?
There's
Oh, there's two
multiple
of 'em.
buckets.
Yeah. Come on. Get in the bucket.
I believe in it.
Get
It
in
can
the
do
bucket.
it.
My gosh.
Hold on, I'm using your head as a tripod.
It's not going in the bucket.
Where can I find him?
So just eating.
Oh, that's a woman's head. There it is.
Wow, this is the best view I've ever had of them. It's amazing.
Yeah.
That's Steve, and that's Fabio.
Mm-hmm.
Now watch the movie. This is coming up, Danielle.
Didn't you see gorillas in the mist also?
Beautiful. I did. Those are gonna take the tag. They're more protected than out in the wild. They're beautiful.
Allison, thank you for letting me use your head as a tripod. I'm getting good gorilla photo.
Hi, he's posing. Yes, they're very strong.
Okay, did you see this?
Yeah.
Oh no.
I find a gorilla a lot more interesting.
Oh my gosh, Fabio.
All right, Danielle, quick recap. How's the trail been so far?
Oh my gosh, it's been wonderful. We've seen gorillas, we've
Trail
seen
magic.
amazingness. No gorilla, no bucket though.
No, no birds.
He wasn't really looking, but you got him in the
We've seen the hippo.